doors for arrival and cross-check.
Passengers, please.
So I'm going to show you one activities. We are going to have a stop at the Dragon Bridge first for group pictures, and I will drop you at the corner there near that yacht for taking picture with very nice corner to take picture with Dragon Bridge.
Hello, madam. Yes.
Solo ka. Ay, ade! Tagtagan mo sa camera.
Dito po.
Our lunch for today.
Wait lang po. Yes. So you use this one to make it stable. There's the one down, and you will just here. Yeah.
I know how to.
Tumakbo ka anak mo, tumakbo. Thank you.
Picture now.
Actually, ano po, kulang. Kasi ang February celebrant natin, hindi lang isa. Tatlo. Sino pa po?
Si Madam Malo.
Mamalo. Si Tita Openg.
Yeah.
Sino pa po?
Ay, bukas si Mamalo!
And we have a group picture.
Bukas!
2, 3. Isa pa. Wait. I turn it up. Yan.
One more song.
One, two, three. Blow it. Yeah. Blow it and roll.
Sige, akin na yan. Take out the birthday. Happy birthday.
I go and cut it for you.
Tama ka lubong ba? Ang ating ina kain. Wah, madam. Foto.
Picture po, picture.
Baby. Philippine mabuhay!
Philippine mabuhay! Yes.
You go straight.
No.
Oh yeah!
Wala ako 5 weeks.
Philippine mabuhay! Maganda! Maganda! Ra đi, nào giờ rồi, tranh thủ đi bà con ơi. Are we people? Saya po. Are we people? Kisah saya po. Wow, wow, wow.
Đó là bồ cổ. Salamat, salamat. Nó bạn đưa là mây xá chọc cái em, mình đưa là mây tờ nó là không được. Ôi cái nhảy của con ấy trời. Đó đó.
Walang kita isa-sara sa pagtikiling ng dani. Sana tayo pinagawagas sa namin sa tindibig. Aming ating agod na mong kalimutan. Ang puso ay na nagkikabaligitan. Pagpagkailan ba? Ay isang pag-ibig ay parang nasaas. Kapalalawakan kaya sa aming awit tayo ay ligaya. Awitin mo at isasaya mo. Wow, wow, wow. Awitin mo at isasaya mo. Sa pag-ibig ay parang nasalan. Napalalawakan kaya sa aming awit tayo ay magligaya. Awitin mo at isasaya mo.
Ay, di ginatang ko kung mga bagong suot ko, ano?
Yun, kasi di narami talaga. Hindi ka kadata yun.
Bakit?
It was reviewed in 2024 already by Vietnamese, and it's not the first time. We reviewed it for 5 or 6 times. In their Chinese belief and Japanese belief, when we put the bridge like that, when we're blocking, thus we wishing that the God is protecting us away from the river mountain.
Hindi ko naman ipopost. Me and my big mouth. Again. Mamaya sabihin na naman nag-publican. Nag-declare ako. Oh my God.
Yun tayo, di ba? Ano ba? Ginawa ko tayo turnover na kanya. Si ano kanina na nanonood si Madam Joy. Ayan si ano na nanonood. Si Juliet.
Hi, Juliet!
Ano ba ito yun nga? Tinagkog.
Ay, make a wish nga daw.
We will make a wish.
Yeah, before you
Nakaw, may didumat.
wish.
Ano natin nagkon?
Sige.
Ayaw na. Nagtumba. Wala na. Sige man.
Oo.
Sige ah. Bagpayagan niya.
Saya.
Wow! Nakalive daw siya.
Walang magbibig.
Very nice song, attorney. Everyone clap our hands. So,
Babam,
think about your next song.
Tingam. Stani o, nakatingnan ni o.
Hindi mo nakikita doon aja ni oh.
Nagkaro.
Sunod ka mo kita aja ni.
Turay na Iso timang pa mayat ata. Tangang mo na natating kagwa.
Isang adun sa wala, at ay isang makakura.
Nagiging kuha na por mga motor. Malagay din nakabayaan mo.
Do you want to try? Yes. And the silver here, you know that the egg only mulberry leaf to grow. Only mulberry, not all the leaf here. Yes. Yes. And the silk cocoon here, we have a two different color. Yes, you know that white is a regular color. Many countries have the white. Yeah, you can see it's in many countries like China, Thailand, and India have a white cocoon. But the yellow here, you see that it's special and only in Vietnam. So you can touch it here, you feel it here. The yellow is softer than the white because it has more protein. More protein here. Yeah. Yeah. And you know that you see that the inside the cocoon here is pupa. As pupa. The pupa we can eat them. Yeah. How will you try it? From the cocoon here. Yes, and you see that when we extract silk, we have a long thread of silk over there and over there. So now you can touch the thread of silk over there. That is a rose silk. Yeah, you can touch and feel it here. Yeah. And feel it's like the horse hair, right? Yes. And from this thread of silk, we make different products making from silk, like fabric, clothes, and how to extract silk from the cocoon. So now follow me to the next hub, and I will show you the extraction, how to extract silk from the cocoon here. Yeah, so right now follow me to that this way here. So now just be careful the step here. Yeah, this way here.
Right.
Yeah, right here. You can see it's an extraction here, how to extract silk from the cocoon here. You know that we collect the cocoon and we start boil in hot water here about 15 to 20 minutes. So make it soften and then we use hand to pull it the silk fiber from the cocoon here. Yes, like you do it now here, just use hand to extract the silk fiber. Yes. And so now I will show you the silk fiber from the cocoon. You can touch and experience here. It's very soft and thin here. Yeah. So you can touch and feel here. Yeah. But you see that's very strong. It's thin, but you can see it's very strong here. Yes. And you see there's one silk fiber here from one cocoon. Yeah, one silk fiber, one cocoon here. You can see it's very thin here, but you touch it's very strong here. Yeah. So it means that we have a two combined 10 cocoon here. So you see that more than 10 cocoon combined together. You can see the equals at one point here combined to make one stronger here. Yeah, to make one stronger. Yes. Yes, and you know that so after that you see that we collect the silk and we put them here. This is a weaving machine to make fabric like this here. Yeah, so see here, this color here you can see that we dye already. We dye from the white silk. And yellow we give this natural color. And this is the weaving machine to make fabric. And you can see that you see they wearing áo dài making from silk, a traditional costume in Vietnam. And when you see here, you have a cocoon here. Yeah, so right here, you know that cocoon, we have two different size here. A lot of cocoon, but only two different. The smaller here, is a long thread of silk, up to 3,000 meters. So it's very long. So that's why outside, that is the attraction of single. So we use single here to make fabric, clothes, or scarf, because that is a long thread of silk. Yes, and the bigger one here, different because you see that it's bigger, and we call here it is a double cocoon. Double. So it's contained two people inside. Yes, and you know that we use double here to make only product that is a blanket. And why we use double here to make a blanket? So right now I will extract the double cocoon here for you to see it here. So right here you see that it's a double cocoon after boil. So now I will open extract the double here for you to see the inside here. Yeah, you see here, inside the double, two pupil inside here. Yeah, and as I told you earlier here, the pupil, we can eat them because it contains a lot of protein. Yes, I can see that in China, Thailand, Korea, they eat a lot. They can eat raw or they can fry and roast it because it contains a lot of protein. And the this is very strong. They stuck together like protein structure here. This is very strong. So
Lemongrass.
yeah, this is turmeric here. Turmeric, mahogany, wood, purple yam, ube, right? Yeah, this is tobacco. Tobacco. You can see that in the world, many countries use industrial dyeing technology, but Vietnam still maintain the traditional, so natural dyeing. So it's very good for skin and the
Wala na kulang. Everyone has your passport. Sao mà tiền nước vậy? Bình thường con tụi em giữ chứ tụi em đâu có giữ. Với lại bên anh kia lên trước tụi anh. They have, I think because every day they have a lot of guests. Every day they have 50,000 people coming here.
Kaya ako binalik to kasi gusto kong pa-experience to kay Binaya.
Pero galing ka na dito.
Uy, ma'am. Last year.
Ay, gano'n.
Hindi ba gani Iwela? Sige kasi ba't nung anak ko gusto kong ma-experience yung yung Balanese ka na.
Para naman maano niya.
Kaya rin, dapat false na Bilayan eh.
Mom, you can keep it na as your souvenirs.
You won't see much with the plastic. What?
Nice, right? You will love it so much. How you been here for the second time or third time? Second time. Why you mad? Why you mad? I don't know why she asked me like that. I'm doing my job. I'm asking a very important question. That everyone get your passport. That's very important. I'm doing my job.
Babae dyan, manulang ang kilometro.
Having been awarded the title of Asia's leading theme park by the World Travel Awards for 6 consecutive years. You are now travelling on a world-leading cable car system designed and which has been recognised by the government as a natural nature reserve having lots of ecological values with rich flora and fauna. Departing from Tokyo Waterfall Station to reach Lane-to-Chine Station, the next destination is the lively Sun Kingdom Golden Bridge, Greenwich Village, the Grand Helios Waterfall, Eclipse Plaza, Moon Castle, and more. And we invite you to
bao phí là em rút gì hết, ví dụ như em bao phí thì em cho em bao phí để em tự tính ước cho miễn trừ thì cho hắn cỡ 3 triệu 5 triệu đi, hoặc là em tính luôn cho rồi em rút nhanh cho hắn rồi qua đây thì rút nhanh cho em trong vòng 1 ngày rồi, xong hiểu không?
Okay.
Nếu mà em bán xe là em bao luôn phí rút đi, xong rồi em tự tính nhận trong việc em đừng có sườn nhiều quá, em trừ theo cho em tầm 3 triệu để em làm phí, rút hồ sơ nhanh là ok rồi.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Xin Chào. Welcome to the spring wonderland of tulips. Mana in the world, Mana Hills proudly presents millions of tulips, lovingly cultivated on site, creating breathtaking flower paths in the clouds at Lover's Garden, Moon Garden, and the Eclipse Square. We invite you to journey through 4
Oh, there's so many buildings.
Okay, get ready po. Ang ganda weather today. So we'll try to drop our luggage quick and wait for overseas for the tour. Kasi right now the weather is nice. We're going to our building. This is just the lobby only, not the where we sit. So you see na, underneath na.
Ayun po doon. Kayo. Doon.
With zombie, Bumibili sila. Ice cream. Tapos yan.
Antay ko?
Ano ba yan? Nakabidyo ko naman pala, Pepe.
Different color. The Golden Bridge, do you remember?
What again?
Yeah, we have to take the cable car back to the French Bridge. Sa ice cream shop na po.
Okay.
Clear ba po? Any question if you don't know how to go or something? Just take the previous cable car and go back to their meeting place.
Okay. Đại đi. Đi bên này.
Nào. Chú chụp ảnh của vậy nào. Tôi chụp ảnh của vậy nào.
Part 2, France Village. Yan, di ba? Napaka-espesyal. Kasi yung mga bandalang ako, kanatan ko lang sa inyo. So, simply for safety purposes ng fiberglass na ito.
Kapag kakain.
Thank you. Welcome kayo sa temporary na bahay namin na Balaya. Ayan, ang aming temporary bahay ni Kuya Balaya. Ayan. Ito yung CR. Separate yung CR, yung banyo, yung bathroom, at saka yung toilet. Ayan. Yes. So nice weather. Nice weather here in Bana Hills. Ito, overlooking naman yung aming window. Yan. Oh, yan ang aming window. Ay, aming mga kapitbahay. Yan sila.
Isa tayo.
Pag nag-exam sila, may top 1 ako. Pagkatapos na yun.
Saan school, ma'am? Saan school? MC. Ano MC? Oh, marami. Second year. Di ba naglolo ka din?
Lilibyo.
Lulubog lilitaw. Ganyan talaga. Nakulugtag ba?
Nagpakita na kayo, dilikod yun ang kasi kasi nagsamasay kami.
Hindi pagkatapos tsaka ka na mag-tour ng to.
Utak na lang ang hindi kaya.
Staying experience.
Wow, so great.
Nice, right? Even for those, so for example, she being here, so for the second time,
yeah.
she still like it so much. Nice. I
We'll be
stayed.
back tomorrow. How many kilometers from Banahin down to...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Experience, and I hope this trip is a memorable trip for you. Thank you so much for joining me this time. Thank you, Manuela, for this chance, for bringing everyone here. Thank you, Mr. Lam, our driver. Crying na. thank you, Mr. Lam, our driver, for driving us for continuously 4 days safety.
Ay. Ay, latan na.